Well, here is the Rotunda elevator, and it's modded to OTIS.
This is my honest reaction to the mod.
Yeah, man, this is quite the disappointment.
The cab's okay, but everything else I hate it.
Yep. See,
That's it.
Going up.
I'll do one more ride.
I don't want to go up there.
You can just go out if you want.
No, I need to get photos of it.
Okay.
Going
I'll
up.
just go up.
This is quite the disappointment. At least the cab is nice.
Everything else is hands down terrible.
Yeah. Sorry.
Going down.
The cab is mostly the same from last time.
Ground level.
Alright. Well, I guess that's it for Montgomery then. That will be it.